Hi guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. I am going to show you guys where all of these moles or voles are in my yard. Yeah, it rained for 2 days, so let me show you. See how the ground's lifted up? I'm stepping on it. Push it down. Yeah, it's all over. All over. My battery's going dead. Let me see how much you got. See here where it's up. I got holes everywhere. I just made some big holes right here now. It's crazy. Was right there too. Right there. It's crazy. Crazy. There's all between here. I just smushed all that down before I turned the camera on. Well, this is still up. So they up under this. Anyhow, I came out here actually to harvest these because they're going to seed. This one too before they get bitter. One of them actually has flowers, which is that one. So I need to go ahead and pull that. So I'm going to harvest some of these greens and read my gloves. These are kohlrabi. So we're gonna get some of these greens and mix some together. And they're all cooked the same. Okay, collard greens down here. There's a lot of them. But they ain't bugged it yet. Not yet. It is funny. I don't know if y'all can see how they go out and curve up. They go to their environment. And we got mustards in here. Just trying to bolt. Once they do, I pull them out. I don't know if they look like they bolting though, but they probably are anyway. We got killed. And kohlrabi look almost alike. Russian kill. Some got a little bit of leaf manner, but we cut that off. And we clean them. But it's Mother's Day, so I'm gonna cook a Mother's Day dinner, even though I don't have my mother here with me anymore. I'm gonna cook Mother's Day dinner. Don't know what yet, besides greens. Yeah, this one's bolted. And I'm gonna take these and put them back in the garden. I don't want to see them. These are fine. I don't know if they don't know it down or not in that soil. So I probably need to pull it all the way out. But this part is going to compost. Take my little things out and use them again. I don't want to lose all my soil. Get the roots. It's not moving off. Maybe I'll leave it right there somewhere because there's something in my yard. I don't know if they'll eat that, but I'm gonna leave it. And I don't know if this kohlrabi gonna do anything because they don't look big as nothing. They look like they trying to heat up. I don't know if y'all can see that, but most of them are not. This is a kohlrabi up here. I was kidding, but it looks like it's trying to heat up. Let me go to see. Let's see. I'll eat the leaves. Either way, I got something to eat from it. Oh, no bird pits. Little birds being here every day. Every year they come and make a nest on my porch. I love them. It's gone. I ain't flowered yet, but we can eat that part. Before it flowers, it won't be too bitter. Won't be too bitter. I don't suppose. All mixed together, it'll be fine. I'll show mix them all together. Kids not doing nothing. I'm playing some more. Probably about to go to see everybody in New York today. Everybody getting out of work. These probably better because they don't actually flower, but we're gonna put them in here anyway. I should have let one of them baby flowers get the seeds, but I think I got a bunch of short seeds already. I ain't mistaken. Let's see what else we got down here. Got bird poop on it. These leaves don't look all that good. We gonna get them. Let's see. Got a bunch of in this next one, but y'all ain't gonna be able to see it. So. Three more. And these three, we got one more. Alright, that's the last one. Big old basket full. Alright guys, that is it with my GreenStalk harvest. Yeah, so thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye. My mic ain't on. Hope you can hear me.